Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix text is not showing cart page in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see order summary subtotal $20, delivery charges free, and then you see total $30. So $10 is tax, but our tax is not shown in cart page. So we are going to display it on cart page in Wix store. Now go to cart page. So we are in cart page. Now you see side pages and menu. So we click on cart and thank you, and then click on cart page. So your cart page will be open. So click on it and then you see setting button. So click on it. Now cart page pop up open and then you see multiple option. Now you see settings. So click on it and then you see tax cost. So enable this option. So by using this, we are going to display text on cart page. Now close and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to cart page and refresh the page. So we are in cart page and then you see order summary subtotal $20, delivery free, and then you see tax $10, total $30. Now you see text is shown in Wix cart page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.